Matagal ko nang gustong magsulat ng autobiography at i-share sa ibang tao ang bahagi ng buhay ko na sumubok ng relasyon at pananampalataya ko sa Diyos. Bago pa man naganap ang pangyayaring iyon, ay acquaintance lang kami ni Lord. Yes, I do know Him. I believe nakikita kami sa simbahan. Nagdadasal din naman ako, lalo na tuwing nalalangay sa alanganin at nanganganib ang buhay ko. Minsan pa nga tumatawag ako sa lahat ng santong kilala ko, sa Diyos Ama, Anak at Espiritu Santo tuwing exams. At tuwing merong malaking project proposal, presentation sa harap ng big time clients ko, and of course sa terror na boss ko. I used to succeed in every endeavor na pinapasok ko. After I graduated in college with a Latin honor, oo, cum laude ako, I landed in a good paying job sa Makati. Through the years, I've been a competitive marketing staff until my rise to the top. I've been one of the most awarded employees sa company namin. Employee of the Year, Most Outstanding Marketing Staff of the Year, etc. Name it, and I have it.
Sir, ano po yung memo na ibibigay natin for the board?
Pangalang revision mo na to. Communication letter lang, hindi yung pamaayos-ayos. Kasi simple-simple, ang daming mali.
Sorry, sir.
Mr. Gilpa, congratulations for a job well done. Ang taas na naman ang sales mo for this month. Keep up the good work.
I thank you, sir. Thank you. I thank you, sir.
I tell you what, if you were able to close this deal with Mr. Napoleon Ala, I'd choose you over Neil as Vice President for Marketing.
I will never disappoint you, sir. Consider Mr. Napoleon account sealed, sir. Thank you.
Sir, ang galing! Sir.
Pagkatapos ng magandang balita na narinig ko kay Chairman, ginawa ko ang lahat na makakaya ko to keep with his standards, to impress everybody in our office, and convince our prospects to give the ₱1,000,000 deal to our company. Aside from that, I was motivated by the reward of that promotion. Sa wakas, abot kamay ko na ang dream position ko in our company. Subalit habang nalulunod ako sa offer ng boss ko at sa iba pa niyang pangakong rewards, nakagawa ako ng isang bagay na lumamon sa prinsipyo ko.
Congratulations, Mr. Gilpa,
Thank you, sir.
our new Vice President for Marketing.
Kaya na-promote kasi may nilande.
Hi, oo nga.
Akala ko kapag nakuha ko na yung position na yon, ay sobrang magiging masaya na ako sa buhay ko. I'm expecting everybody will vow at me. At syempre, I'm gonna claim that 6-digit monthly salary among other perks. Pero nagkamali pala ako.
Nabilib na sana ako dati, yung para isang mandaraya. Ayusin pala ang trabaho. Ang kapal ng mukha magsalita.
Hay na! Grabing mga real.
Yun lang, isang pagkakamali lang, ang sama na ng tingin nila sa akin. What I've done was just part of business. Di ba nila maintindihan yun?
Kung ginagawa ikaw ba?
Ikaw
Mr. Sanchez! Ayoko na lalam-lalam yung trabaho! Middle of the month na! Ang baba pa rin ng sales mo! Hindi ka bagay sa department ko! Miss Ferrer! Akala mo ba hindi ko napapansin? Kanina ka pa nagte-telebabad. Kliyente ba talaga yung kausap mo?
Yes, sir.
Miss Aguilar! Miss Ferrer! Magsama-sama kayo!
During those times, I used to think na ang haba-habang magsipagdasal ng mga taong nagsisimba. Habang ang mga pari naman, they're just doing their job. Therefore, ang pananampalataya ay parang isang propesyon lang.
Sir, dito po yung report.
Thank you. You can go home now. I think I'm fine with it.
Really? Okay.
Everybody falls down, Marvin. But what matters is how you pick up yourself and stand up with your God.
But what
after the
matters
fall.
is how you pick up yourself and stand up with your God after the fall.
You were right, Mom. I almost forgot.
Dahil sa nangyari na iyon sa akin, I came to realize two things. One, that I am not Mr. Perfect and I should learn to accept it. And two, there is no real peace and happiness if God is absent in your life. During those troubled times of my life, napagtanto ko na God never left me. I just took Him for granted and He has His way to tap my back to keep me on the right track. I had my personal discovery of my faith, and right now, I'm strengthening this bond between me and my God.
Sir, ito na po yung memo natin na ibibigay for the board.
Pangilang revision mo na to? Communication letter lang, di mo pa maayos.
Cut! Sino yung nagsasalita doon sa likod?
Business na kami dito eh.
Action!
Sir, ito na po yung memo natin na ibibigay for the board.
Cut!
Patayin ang mga cellphone.
Cut!
We were able to close this deal over... Sorry.
Action!
With congratulations. Di ba pwedeng mag-type naman? Yung laptop naman eh.
Ano ba yan?
Sure. Ay, nagsulat pala.
Oh my God, Lord!
Lumangoy sa alaala mo, lumangoy hanggang malunod sa iyo. Kung ang gamot sa aking sakit ay